queens, divas of a more mature age. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel today. I'm super excited because we're about to play in hair, and I haven't played in hair in quite a while now, so I'm super excited about this. And I have a unit that I'm actually excited to be playing with. So the unit that I'm going to play with today is from the company XrsBeauty. Now, this is actually my second unit from this company. And the very first unit that I had, I really loved it. When I went on vacation, I actually, attached the wig to my head and kept the wig on my head for 5 days, and it still looked as good on day 5 as it looked when I attached it on day 1. So today we're going to talk about lace, okay? Because I'm sick of lace, right? And excuse me, whenever people ask me what type of wig do I recommend that they purchase, the first question they ask me about is lace. They're like, should I get HD? Should I get clear? Do you think I should just get regular? What about Swiss? How good is Swiss? So there are so many different kinds of lace out there. I just had a wig earlier that I did a video on. It was a perfect wig. The hairline was perfect. Everything about the wig was perfect, except for the color of the lace. And I actually put it on. I used adhesive to put it on, and I didn't realize how light the lace was until I actually got the wig on my head. And I was really irritated because, you know, you can go in and put makeup on it, but in my opinion, once you've actually attached it, it's messy when you do that. So this company, XrsBeauty, the one thing that I was actually really impressed to find out is they actually have a factory in the United States. So shipping is like between $5 and $9, and that's for return shipping as well. So I'm going to link all the information in the description box, but let me show you all the goodies that they gave me. They gave me these. Y'all know I don't use these. I'm gonna auction them jokers off one day in a giveaway. Caps are really light. Now this, I can actually use this in my real hair. This is the type of comb that I actually use in my natural hair, which I got my Queen Latifah Set It Off braids. They give you an elastic band. It's the bra strap, but let me tell you the greatest gift. Hold on, because it's crinkling. I hate a crinkle. I love these. Okay, I love these. I love having these for my wigs on wash day. Twist them with your roller. What are these called? Twisties? There's a name for these. Leave it in the comment section below. But I have a ton of them. Okay, so let me show you the unit before I start messing around with the lace, because I'm going to show you the difference between 3 different colors of lace that this company actually sent me. So she's a cutie. She's 24 inches, 150% density. So we have a house phone, and it never rings, right? The only people that call the house phone are telemarketers. And the only time the house phone rings is when I'm recording videos. In my last video, you can hear the phone ringing. It's crazy. Okay, look at these coils, y'all. Look at the coils. But look at the hairline. Look at the lace. And she is pre-bleach combs. 3 combs around the perimeter. Comb in the back. A little bit of lace in the back. Adjustable straps. And I showed you that they have included a bra strap. Okay, so the first lace that I'm going to show you guys an example of is actually going to be regular old transparent lace, which is like this. They have actually labeled them. I don't know if can you guys see that? There you go. Regular lace. Okay, so we're going to play around. We're going to pretend using our Got To Be freeze spray. So I'm actually gonna do like I do when I'm actually attaching a unit. I'm going to lay the lace on my hand and I'm going to spray some Gots to Be on it. Now we're not gonna actually tie it down though, which is what I usually do. All right, now on my other hand, I'm gonna try to keep this from coming off. This is brown lace, okay? So we're gonna attach, should I get my blow dryer out? I don't know. We're gonna attach the brown lace to my right hand. So I don't know if this is gonna work too well. We're gonna make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna attach it with Gots to Be freeze spray. And we're not gonna put a bunch because I need to be able to get this mess off my hands. Okay, so you can see the regular brown lace. Okay, it doesn't look bad, but the one thing about most of these is when the light hits them the right way, the camera, especially the camera, picks them up. So it's not always as visible to the naked eye as it is on camera. Okay, so Insta people, y'all know why oftentimes the lace shows white, like a white cast on photos. Okay, so again, this is, focus, regular old lace. And you see the parts that I've actually sprayed the Got to Be freeze spray on. And it's not bad, but you can see the lace. This is brown lace, which probably works a little bit better for me, for my complexion. I can't even talk today, right? Not bad. Okay. All right. So last but not least, let's see what the clear lace looks like. Now, I promise y'all, I did not do this in advance. I don't have time on my hands like that. I was like, I'm gonna save it for the video. So let's look at the clear lace. Now, this is new clear lace. So I have some Got to Be residue on my hand, and I wonder if that's gonna be enough. If not, we'll spray some more. I'll spray some more on there. This is a heck of an experiment, right? It's really kind of funny. Okay, this is the clear lace. Can you see? Wow, you really can see the difference. It really does blend into my skin very nicely, even despite the fact that it's not all the way dry. That's pretty good. That's pretty stinking good. Okay, so y'all get the point. Brown, regular, and clear lace. So apparently clear lace is going to be the winner for today. So let's pop this little baby on our head. I've done nothing to this wig. I'm gonna take my bonnet off and I'm just gonna slide her right on. And we're gonna see. I'm not putting any makeup on her or anything, so if we get some type of white casting or whatever, then, you know, then you guys know what time it is. Okay, so I have the elastic band on, and again, like I said, she is definitely big head, or I shouldn't say big head, I don't like saying big head. She's larger head friendly, 100%. So I'm gonna side part her here. Okay, so let me tell you what I actually went in and did. I actually ended up taking the unit off, rinsing the lace off, and instead of using this business right here, I actually ended up just using I went for what I know. This is what I know. And the other ones don't always seem to really work for me. Like, I feel like you get a white cast with this when you use it solely, and so I use this. I feel like I get a much better melt when I use that. So I'll let you look at that. And super pretty, right? I mean super pretty. I love, love, love the hairline. So she is a lot of hair. Ooh, I could see her with side pony. Sexy side pony. Again, I'm gonna wash her and get some of the curls out of her because I'm not really into the winglet or the ringlet thing. But if you like a big hair, that I'm telling you, this can't be 150. And if this is 150, there's some companies out there that are gonna need to give me my money back, because I don't think I've ever had a 150 this thick. She thick with it. She thick with it. So love the unit, love the lace. Again, XRS Beauty, your natural hair. Check them out, give them a try. If you've ever tried any of their units, let me know, leave it in the comment section below. And until I see you again, be blessed and bye for now.